come and dish up my duck breast, mash, greens and spiced red wine dinner with me. So first of all, look at this duck breast. It's almost perfect, but listen to this skin. That was actually the best part of the duck. So we're going to slice into it here. Hopefully it's well rested. As you can see, it's almost perfectly pink in the middle. But that crispy duck skin is just perfection. Let's have a little look. I'm pretty pleased with that. So now let's start dishing up. So first of all, we're going to get this lovely, creamy, buttery mash. And then I grilled some asparagus and green beans. I just did that in my air fryer in the grill section, just with some salt, pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Then on goes that delicious duck breast, which actually just melted in the mouth when we were eating it. And then this is like a spiced red wine sauce. So it's kind of got like an Asian twist on it. It's a little bit like mulled wine. I'm going to share that recipe on my website, so keep your eyes peeled for that one.